Hey Taurus, we're going to do a quick energy check-in. Before I get started, if anybody's interested in a personal read, the information will be below in my description box. Two more for Taurus. One more, please. All right, Taurus, we have I am wealthy, I am focused, and I am abundant. You're on the cusp of prosperous and abundant spiritual life. You will find numerous opportunities for success and achievement, all of which being financial and material abundance into your life. Stay focused on your best possible future and remain optimistic throughout the entire journey. Your angels are right behind you as you turn your dreams into reality. As you focus on all the wonderful things that surround you, you're clearing the path for more positive energy to flow in all areas of your life and creating a place for abundance. All right, Taurus. Let's see. What is the Taurus needs to be aware of at this time? Surrounding their current energy. All right, Taurus. Maybe you were dealing with someone who was selfish, impulsive. They probably dealt with a lot of people. And I feel like maybe you've been going back and forth in your mind about this, but you're thinking logically. And you know you deserve better than this. Or someone you were dealing with is wanting another chance and wants to come back. They desire you. This person can be dealing with legal issues too. And they could be feeling betrayed. Let's see. Yep. I feel like this person, some truth is going to come out. Some type of honesty. They may want your forgiveness. But I see you walking away. You leaving this situation, this person behind. Yeah, I think you know better when it comes to this person. You're letting your intuition guide you. I feel like you're enlightened. You use your discernment when it comes to this person. Yeah, I feel like this person wants to offer you a relationship. And I feel like you're not going for it. I feel that dealing with this person had you overwhelmed, stressed. And I feel like you completed a cycle with this person. Yep, I feel like you're letting this shit go. I feel like you're healing, you're letting it go, you're growing. Now they're heartbroken, but I mean, I don't know, table's turned though. All right, let's see what's going on. What What does Taurus need to know about this situation? All right, let's start where I feel like you're protected, Taurus, from harm. You've been protected, Archangel Michael. Either this person that you were dealing with, they're stuck off in their head, or they could be in jail. I feel like this person's toxic. They could have unhealthy behaviors. They could deal with a lot of different people. I feel like whatever it is that you went through with them, it made you grow, made you focus on your self-love, self-care. It made you focus on put you first. I'll just put it like that. I feel that this person you was dealing with, they feel trapped, frustrated. I feel like their emotions is all over the place, coming and going. Something about a car here. Okay, I feel like you guys are not in communication. You're not talking. I feel like you're happy. Let me see. Yeah, this person could have done something. And have other people involved, and now they're scared and panicking. Could be gossiping, or maybe they're being gossiped about. This person can be jealous or envious of you. So maybe some of you guys are seeing synchronicities, signs, number 1111, 222, and 333. Some of you guys could be moving or relocating. Maybe you guys have somebody new here too. Yep, and I feel like this new relationship is a soulmate relationship, and I feel like it could bring marriage. Long-term relationship is what I see here. And I see whoever it is you was dealing with, they feel like a damn clown. They're embarrassed. They could be having something going on with whoever it is they were dealing with, somebody they could have a family with. They'd be trying to get away from this person, maybe. Could be somebody they're married to. Oh, yeah. Escapade, family, and twin flames for Taurus. Maybe this person want a family with you. They feel like you're their happiness. They see you as being strong, confident, courageous. They're overwhelmed by fears and anxiety. They feel guilty because they betrayed you. They know you have something new here. New beginning starting. Got that twice, back to back. New opportunity as far as career, maybe. Adventures. Good news coming. Yeah, I feel like this person definitely wants to come in and offer you something, but I don't feel like you're going to go for it, Taurus. You're their wish fulfillment. They feel like you're their twin flame. They could want a family with you. Maybe you guys had one. They see you for who you are now. Now they can't sleep or anything because they know they fucked you over. This person can be lazy too. Definitely gossip about you. Let's see. What's this person's true emotions when it comes to Taurus? They want you and you running away from them, Taurus. Yeah. Use your intuition and all that now. That sweet talk they used to do, that shit don't work. They really broke. They probably want some money. They feel trapped in the situation they in. The bitch they with is not a divine feminine. That came out in the reverse. They feel like you're their twin flame. This person was reckless when it came to sex, so maybe that's how you feel. And the shit's done and over with. It's dead. You're happily single. You doing you. You stress-free. Setting goals and shit. While they asses out here getting drunk and acting a fucking fool. They have not learned any lessons. You rejected them. I don't blame you. And they're not a divine masculine because their ass came out in the reverse. They could be dealing with some legal issues here. This person could have been getting readings on you, watching you from secret accounts, losing sleep. Yeah, that's because they know that the shit they did it over and over and over again. And I feel like this person think he's gonna ever walk away from them because this is something that always happened. Now they fucked up behind you. They could have met somebody at work and started dealing with them. Now they feel like shit. Yeah, they made the wrong decision. You're fed up. You've healed. And again, they're dealing with some type of legal issues here. So I believe you dodged a bullet. You can have this person blocked. Yeah. All right. Let's see what's coming in new for Taurus. Enough of this person and they bullshit, right? I'm a Taurus too, and I feel it's enough. All right. Let's see what's coming in for Taurus. Coming in for Taurus. All right, Taurus, I feel like this asshole is still in this devil energy. They still playing games. They're still a cheater. They still have addictions. They're still materialistic. They're going to pretend like they got their shit together. And now they come in and they can bring you peace and balance. Not true. You know better than that, I feel, though. Because you see the shit for what it is and you're realistic. Yeah. Could be a Capricorn, air sign. Yeah, you're not happy with this situation with them. You know the shit's out of whack. Yeah, conflict. Y'all don't agree. This person is manipulative. Low self-esteem. They try to keep you in that type of energy. Try to make you feel jealous. They say and do little stupid shit, Taurus. I feel. And I feel like, yeah, You letting your intuition guide you. You're not fucking with them. What's coming in new for Taurus? What's coming in new? Maybe a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Somebody that's faithful, wise, and caring. I feel like your past person's off in their head, negative. But they sneaky. They're sneaky as fuck. I feel like this person does watch you. They can see you achieving your long-term goals. Maybe to this person, you are stability. Yeah, may want a new start with you. But, you know, I don't feel like you're going to put yourself back through this. You know, this person's rude. They abuse their power. Broken promises. Like, just, I can't tell you what to do, Taurus, but I wouldn't fuck with it. You know what I'm saying? Grass really wasn't green on the other side. They see that now. But they're still coming, and they're not coming in for the right reasons. All right, we'll get a couple of messages from the universe, spirit. All right, don't be afraid to say I love you. Thank you to those who deserve to hear it. Don't be scared of embarrassing yourself or appearing sloppy. You will never regret a heartfelt I love you or a message of appreciation. You will only regret not saying it. It's never too late to start over. You have to trust in the magic of the new beginnings. They are waiting for you. Notice them, seize them, and appreciate all you have. Just relax and trust. Let go of the old and make way of the new. You may find yourself being distracted by random thoughts, fears, or doubts. Don't allow yourself to be governed by them. Simply observe and choose to take aligned action and choices. You wouldn't plant a seed and dig it up every few minutes to see if it has grown. So why do you keep questioning yourself? Your hard work and your decisions. Have patience. Stop overthinking and keep watering your seeds. So yeah, whatever it is you're creating or growing or doing, whatever, just keep doing it. It'll pay off. Nothing happens overnight, okay? I hope this helped.